beautiful people, welcome to my channel. This is M.A.C and today I'm gonna show you this rose petal creative eye makeup tutorial. If you're interested in this kind of look, then please keep on watching. I already almost completed this eye. Now I'm going to prime my right eyelid and I'm using this FS38 by Kryolan. I'm just going to blend this with my finger today. Today also I'm going to use this Ucanbe Pretty All Set eyeshadow palette for my look. Now I'm taking this Morphe flat brush and I'm going to take this and this shade. I created just an outline of my cut crease. Now I'm taking this and this two shades. I'm going to diffuse the brown shade with the mixture of these two. And I'm again using a Morphe brush. So I'm switching to another brush and I'm just blending. Now I'm going to cut my crease with the same base I have used for priming my eyelids. I'm gonna use the same colors which I have used over here. So first of all, I have taken the brown and maroon shade together. First I'm using that color to create the outline and I'm doing like this. Okay, now I'm gonna pick the pink shade. Now I'm taking light pink shade. Now I'm giving it a shape with the concealer. Again with the same color combination. Firstly I'm just doing the outline. I'm gonna add pink. And the light pink again. Now again I'm going to give it a shape with the concealer. And for the tail part, I'm gonna add this sellotape. This sellotape will give me the exact sharp line which I need for this look. And the same color combination. Pink. The light pink. I'm gonna use Lakme Iconic Kajal on my waterline. I'm going to add dark brown shade just here and the maroon shade. Now I'm going to highlight my eyebrow bone. Okay, before moving to the lower lash line, I'm gonna complete my face makeup and gonna put some falsies and I'll be right back. Now my base is done. I'm gonna complete my lower lash line and I'm just going to use that color just here in the half portion of my lower lash line. Now I'm picking some pink shade and I'm gonna use that color in the inner portion. Now I'm going to use a yellow shimmer to highlight my inner corner. Now I'm gonna add some mascara and I'm using this Falsies Boost Up Trauma by Maybelline. Now I'm going to warm up my face and I'm using Kat Von D Shade and Light palette for that. for blush, I'm gonna take this color from this Makeup Revolution Sugar and Spice palette. Now it's time to highlight, and I'm using this Makeup Revolution Shimmer Brick Radiant Highlighter palette, and I'm just going to add a little highlighter today. Ooh. I think I never can use a little highlighter, never, because I'm a highlighter lover. I love the glow it gives to my skin. For lip, I'm gonna use this ColourPop Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Avenue, and I'm gonna just add outline with this shade. Now I'm going to add a lip gloss, and I'm using this Time to Shine Sugar Lip Gloss in the shade Princess Aurora. And here is the finished touch with this MAC Fix Plus. So here is the complete look. This is an Instagram inspired look. I'm so much in love with this creative arts. If you like this tutorial, then please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you will never miss any of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.